Today, we are going to show the replacing of Samsung A12 FPC connector. Add some flux paste to the motherboard FPC connector. For desoldering, we have to set the hot air gun at 350 degrees Celsius and airflow is 20. We remove connector from the motherboard. Add some flux paste to the pads for soldering. Clean the pads with isopropyl alcohol. Apply some flux paste to FPC pads. Put the connector to FPC pads in right position. Change the hot air gun temperature to 380 degrees Celsius and airflow 18. Clean the connector with isopropyl alcohol for removing excess flux paste. With the help of the microscope, we can see the pads in clear. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video.